How to fix Messenger not receiving calls on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger not receiving calls on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check the internet connection. So here you can always switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you're having the internet issues, or you can even turn airplane mode on and off to check if the network is stable or not. Because the weak internet is the most common cause for not receiving calls. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to allow call and notification permissions. So here you can simply open the settings, and now here once you're inside, you can simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here, just tap on manage apps, and now here in the section, just tap on the search bar at the top and simply type Messenger and search for it. And now here, you can just tap on Messenger to open the app settings page. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on app permission. And now here in this section, make sure that you have allowed camera, file and media and microphone option. And with that, you can just go back and we'll move forward to the step 3. That is to disable battery saver and background limits. So with that, you can just go back to the main settings page. And now from here, what you can do is simply scroll up and tap on the battery option. So here you can just tap on battery option, and now here in this section, make sure that you have turned off the battery saver mode because the battery limits can block the incoming calls as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to turn on the call notification. So with that, you can just open the apps again, and now from here you can just tap on manage apps. And now here you can just search for Messenger, and now here you can just tap on it. And now from here you can simply scroll down and tap on notification. And now here in this section, make sure that you have enabled the calls and message notifications as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to restart Messenger and phone. So here, if you're still having issues with the Messenger, then what you can do is simply close the Messenger app completely. And after that, you can simply restart your phone. And here, once you're done restarting your phone, you can test by calling from another account in Messenger. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to update the Messenger. So here you can simply open the Play Store app, and now in Play Store you can simply search for Messenger, and there you can just tap update if available for the Messenger app, because the old version can often miss the calls. And with that, moving forward to the final step, that is to clear the Messenger cache. So here you can simply long press on the Messenger app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on app info. And now here in this section, you can simply tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And with that, you'll be able to fix Messenger not receiving calls issue. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.